This is my review 1 year later of these Scotty fishing rod holders. I've had these for 1 year and going into the second year with them, and I love these so far. I did a lot of research on what kind of rod holders to get, and what I like about these is it's very easy access to get your rod out of there, and the rods will even stay in there without this on there, but that just gives you an added measure of security. But super easy to flip that out, grab the rod, which is what I love, because if you're catching fish, you need easy access to the rod. The other thing I like is you can see the rod fits in there real nice. It's got kind of a little notch right here that the reel will sit in, but you can also run different styles of reels and they'll slide right back into there, and you've got no problem at all. So it's got a couple ways that you can run it with not having any issues, but I usually run the reels that I have. I just pull them out and I run them like that, and you're all good to go. I also like the easy adjustment right here. So if you loosen this up, you can adjust this and tilt these up or down for whatever configuration you need. You can see I tilted it way too far down there, but we will adjust that one back so that we can get it where we need to. And there we go. And then you can just lock that down, and you can see I can even do it with one hand, which is really a great situation right there. You can also adjust them left to right. So all you got to do is you got to find where it's at, and then you're going to lift up, and then you can move this where it's at, and you got to find the next gear and you push down, and then you can change the orientation of that left to right. So overall, 1 year later, I'm very happy with these. I got 4 of them on my boat, and if I had to choose to put these on again, I absolutely 100% would put these on. They were a great value for me. I trust them after running them a year. I haven't lost any rods, never gotten close to losing a rod or anything like that. They have been phenomenal, very durable. They look brand new after a year in the sun, and really highly recommend these. So thanks for watching my review of the Scotty Rod Holders. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.